Welcome back to Very Vegas, folks. Today I'm playing Siberian Storm at M Resort in Las Vegas. It's right off the Las Vegas Strip, just south. And Siberian Storm's one of my favorite old school slots. I normally play this one at Caesar's Palace. There's a little bit different version of it. It's like a 3D version, but this one's cool too as well. Nothing going on yet. The key is to line up those eyes all the way across. Only got 3 of them on that spin. Just low rolling today. Dollar bets, low bets. A lot of people say don't play in the non-smoking sections. I don't really believe all that. Needed 2 more there. 2 more of those eyes. Having a hard time lining anything up on this. The free spins is where it's at on this game. And you got to get those 5 consecutive eyes to get that. Probably play this down to 20 bucks. I hate running a slot machine down to 0. I'd rather take that money and put it in something else. And this one's just not paying out. Alright, one more spin. and might have to stick to playing this one on the strip, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment, guys. I'm gonna be doing more slot videos coming up in 2023. Look out, guys. Later.